guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am here in my bedroom on my bed because we're just doing a getting ready with me, which I feel like I do a lot of these, but I really enjoy these, and hopefully we can like chat and talk in the comments. But since I hadn't shared my April BoxyCharm, I thought I would just get ready, would look at the BoxyCharm together, would do some makeup, and would just have a good day and like a relaxed, like laid back type of video. So I hope you really enjoy it. I do have some actual like reviews and some good videos coming up, so make sure if you haven't subscribed yet that you subscribed to this channel. I do beauty videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so make sure you're subscribed, and also go follow me over on Instagram, because this issue, like this back there, that like side dresser, side table thing, I'm getting new Amazon ones today, and I'm going to be redoing this little space, and I'll be sharing that with you guys over on Instagram, so you definitely want to be following me there on Insta stories. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. This is the look I ended up doing with my BoxyCharm. So I actually kind of like it. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, let's just get started. So my brows are done, and I'm gonna go in with the eyes because I got a Natasha Denona palette in the BoxyCharm. Can you believe that? This is the Iana eyeshadow palette. Looks like this, and I'm super excited to try these. These palettes are so expensive, so the box is worth it just for this. This palette right here retails for $48. This is $48. The box is like, what is it, 27 bucks or something like that? It's so freaking, such a good price already. So I'm gonna put an eyeshadow primer on. So I'm getting into this. I'm putting that all over the lid with a blending brush, and I'm going into the crease because I'm doing a smoky eye today. Yes, we're gonna do that. This weekend I'm doing like a couples trip with me, my husband, my best friend, and I'm so excited, you guys. I am so excited. I'm gonna share it all with you guys. I think we're gonna go like kayaking. We're doing like this train and dine thing where you go on a train and you dine, and it like takes you around. I thought that'd be pretty cool, so I'm gonna be sharing that, all that kind of stuff on Insta stories. I keep telling you guys, you need to go follow me over there, because that's where you see like everything. Like yesterday I had a girls night, and I shared bits of that on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna get into, I don't know, I'm kind of wanting to put this color, this like, it's like almost like an olivey silver color. I kind of want to put this all over and then like deepen it with this, or I don't know if I should just deepen it right now with that. Okay, I'm gonna deepen it with that. So I'm gonna get like an eyeliner brush, get into that color here. Like that, and then blend it out. I think a smoky eye with these contacts are good. Be nice. It would make me look very mysterious, because so far it's looking good. Okay, so I'm gonna get into that shimmer shade right here. These eyeshadows are very like nice. They're really nice eyeshadow palettes, but it's expensive. This is all dry. This is nice. We're gonna leave it at that, and we're gonna see what else we have in the box, because I saw that there was like a primer, and I'm interested in this. Oh, okay, this is something. This is the Radition Body Cleanser from Terre de Mars. Looks like this. I'm really excited to try this. It's a body cleanser. So what does it say? This retails for $22. It's an organic, low foaming, aromatic and soft cleansing, suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts and verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens the skin. So I love body care in boxes like this, because just this alone is how much like the box cost on its own. Okay, and next we have the Touch in Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. It's silicone free and has a cooling effect. So we're gonna put this on all over the face here and we're gonna see what happens. Oh, this smells good. It smells like roses. Can you see that texture? Look at that. That's interesting. Wow. Oh, that's weird. Ooh, that's weird. It's like a gel. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, what does it say about this? This retails for $32. It locks your face, it locks your look in place and keeps them cool and icy with the Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect. Once applied, it hydrates and preps the skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free, while water capturing technology is to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I think I found my new favorite primer, if it does what it says it's supposed to do. This feels so nice. Oh my gosh, yes. Wow. And it smells like roses, and which I'm not a fan of the scent of roses, but this is not like an obnoxious scent. Like, it smells good and it's light. It's not obnoxious by any means. And it's cooling, but it's like, ooh, and it's sticky too. Okay, we're gonna have to see. So the foundation I chose to wear today is the Gucci foundation. I haven't worn this in a while. I probably, seems like I wear this every day on my videos, but honestly, I don't wear this every day. But I didn't want to wear it today because it's been a while. So I'm gonna pop this on the face. And then I'm going to put on the NARS concealer, which is the best concealer ever. I love this so much. Oh, I've already made like a divot in there. Can you see that? I just love this so much. I'm going to pop this on. I did get like a body illuminator by Eloise. So let me open this real quick. This is in Champagne Rich. And this says it retails for $38. It's a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas on the face and body for a dazzling buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. Ultra sparkly. I don't know how I feel about that already. I mean, it doesn't look glittery. I mean, you guys can see. It doesn't look like it's glittery or anything, but it makes me a little nervous. All right, so I'll put it on, but I'm gonna set my face first. So I'm gonna use my Winky Lux powder. I talked about this on Monday's video. If you guys didn't see it, I showed you guys literally what I've been doing as my face routine for the past like month and a half that I just love and think is perfect for the spring and summer. So you definitely want to check that out. All right, for bronzer, I'm using the Essence Matte Bronzing palette here. I'm gonna mix, I think I'm gonna do more contouring with the mix of this and then try to bronze with this. Careful not to make my face super dark. I haven't done a smoky eye in a long time. So let's see what happens with this thing here. So we'll see. Ooh, it is very like lightweight. I thought it was going to be a little thicker than that, but it feels very lightweight. All right, let's put it on as a highlight and see what happens. And I like to test liquid highlights on top of powder because that's how I like to wear them. Because the powder just takes off the glow. Ooh, there's not, I don't see glitter. I know it says ultra sparkling, which made me think like glitter. Wow. I hope you guys can see this as well as I can see this. What the heck? This is an expensive product, so I would hope that it would be like a very nice formula, and it is. I'm digging it. I thought it was gonna be darker, but it actually didn't show up darker. It actually just like blended straight into the skin. I can't even explain it. See if it dries down at all. The only color I haven't used here is this color, so I might as well get it on my finger, and it's like a taupey color, and just like put it in the center here. I mean, why not? It's weird to do that, but I'm doing it. Okay, so I put some mascara on, and I thought I would pop something on the lower lashes. I think I'm just gonna smudge this one, I think, on the lower lashes here. And that's it. That I got here is the L'Oreal Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick. It's a metallic lipstick in Broadway Glitz. Makes me a bit nervous. If it was a if it was like a red color, and it's not. It's like a purple metallic color. So this is what I'm gonna wear today, I guess. This retails for $21. It's supposed to be rich, moisturizing. It has like an interesting shape. You guys can see that. So we're gonna see what happens with this lipstick. Interesting. I'm definitely gonna need blush because then I feel like I looked washed out. Let me grab some blush real quick. So I'm gonna do this blush. This is the Essence blush since we've been using the bronzer. This one's in Beloved, so I'm gonna use this. This made this look a lot better now. What do you guys think? How do I look? I would have gone with a different lipstick, but definitely with my hair looking crazy, like this totally fits. This totally works. What do you guys think of this look? It's definitely very like 90s. It's a very 90s look right now. The dark lipstick, which is very trendy right now. Smoky eye. I don't hate it. It's just different. This is how I look. What do you guys think? Comment below and tell me if you guys would have liked that lipstick, if you would have even wore it. But I think with the blush, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Not mad at it. Like today, I hope you guys enjoyed this video that's getting ready with me. Comment below and tell me what you guys have been up to. Let's kind of like chat. Let's use this video as like a way for us to talk, because it's been a while, I feel like, since we've kind of talked together. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to come back on Friday because we're gonna have a brand new video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.